PWM's HP180 is a small air hydraulic cold welder which is extremely easy to operate. It enables any member of the workforce to weld non-ferrous material up to 1.8 mm in diameter without effort. The HP180 is supplied with a trolley, so it can be wheeled to the work area. The welding head can also be detached and used handheld, within the limit of the 2-meter air supply pipe. The air supply can be provided from either a central system or a dedicated compressor, but must be connected using a reinforced hose with a minimum internal diameter of 12 mm and no quick connectors to ensure an adequate airflow. The hose should be attached to the inlet without any fittings that impede the flow of air. A concertina-type air hose should not be used. The HP180 uses industry-standard dies, made and tested in-house by PWM's own experienced technicians. After the die has been placed carefully in the die pocket, the die gap is adjusted to suit the size of the material by turning the screw on the front of the machine. The gates are opened by pressing the levers on either side of the welding head to allow the wire or strip to be inserted into the die. To operate the machine, the lever is pressed 4 or 5 times. The weld takes just a few seconds to complete and is reliable, permanent, and stronger than the parent material. To release the welded wire, the unloading lever is moved to the opposite side. Both the gates and the die will open wide, allowing the wire to be removed.